my name is Lynette, for those of you new. Just a full disclosure right in the beginning, I have never done one of these thrifting my Pinterest board videos before, but I saw it earlier this winter and I really wanted to give it a try. I love thrifting, I love decorating, anything home related. So I decided to give it a shot, and I actually filmed most of this back in February, so before y'all jump on me about going out while there's quarantine going on, I wasn't. I was thrifting mostly back in February and early March, so I almost didn't post the video, to be honest. I kind of felt like maybe I don't have enough to share, and I didn't get around to DIYing the stuff right away. But then I was thinking, you know what, I think you guys would enjoy it. You always love my thrifting videos, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna put it up even if it's old. So I am doing that today. I also have a couple of people in the video. Megan Fox is in the video and my mom's in the video, just a couple little clips. So if you guys, you know, want to see them, want to see some fun moments, definitely stay tuned. I just had fun. I went to multiple different Goodwills, and I will take you along with me as I go shopping to some of those. Some of them I didn't find any. I went to multiple stores for, you know, a couple times, and I finally just kind of quit because, well, I'd gone a lot, and then all of this happened and family was around and whatnot. So yeah, I'm finally getting around to putting it up. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new, consider subscribing. I would love that. I live in Sarasota, Florida, and most of the thrift stores around here are Goodwills. At least the ones that I'm familiar with. There might be a couple random ones, but I haven't gone to too many of them. So most places that I'm going is Goodwill. So I did find at least one piece that I'm really excited about, and a couple other pieces that I feel like are Pinterest dupes, if you will. So I'm excited. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it. I'll go ahead and show you a few of the things that I've pinned on my thrift board, if you will. I've pinned some other things as well, but these are just some things I've thought about looking for. I have no idea if I'll be able to, but I'll go ahead and show you. And a lot of these are pretty random. I want to keep my eyes open for some unique pots. I also am looking for like a full-length mirror, and I'm also gonna look for a few skirts, pottery. So I'm gonna give it a try. We're gonna head inside and see what we can find. Here's my little doll. See how long she's gonna sleep today. I really like this mirror. Look at this mirror. I could totally paint it black or even spray it gold. I cannot believe it. And I love this white one, but it's pretty big, but not like tall enough. Oh my word. And this thing's only $10. I'm gonna get it. I am gonna get it. Alright, it is Goodwill number 2, and it's a different day. My mom's actually here. We're gonna go in here together. I added a couple more things to my Pinterest board, and just like the mirror, that I hadn't even pinned to that board specifically. I never felt like I would actually find one. But I had been eyeing them for so long, so I'm gonna consider it a Pinterest find. I've got Oakland with me again, and I'm gonna see if we can find some more stuff. I just saw this one, and it's $12.99. I love it. But she says there's another one. Oh, sure enough. They're new.
Yeah, they are.
What in the world? Is that one $12.99 too? Would you give that much?
I don't know. That's what I was debating. I mean, it's half price.
Oh, their threshold.
Yeah, it's half price from what it was.
Is that one the same size? Yeah. So how does that work if they're the same size? You want them the same size? Like, I wish they were...
Oh. Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, you don't really just want one, do you?
Well, it's probably a standalone piece, I would say.
Shoot, I don't know. What did you find?
You can tell me if it's super ugly or if it's half, you know.
Okay.
Real friends are honest.
Okay. Okay. I think I would paint it. I actually have some stuff pinned. It would go perfect.
It's kind of cute. Okay, orange is like my spirit color. I love orange so much.
See, I don't really.
It's awful. Like, I don't like to put.
Literally, I have.
DIY right now, let's be honest.
Well, it wouldn't take long to spray paint a little bit.
Oh man. Anyway.
Well, I should look.
See, I like thrifting stuff like this because if Fletcher destroys it, then who cares?
Maybe it'd be sad to like change it.
That's the thing. I'm like, I should probably leave it there for the person who likes it.
But like, I should show you because imagine like in a creamy white or something.
I could even, just do it all white.
Right.
It would show up because it's
I know.
Textures. And everybody's just looking at this thinking it's the ugliest urn.
No, but see, I would paint him. I don't know about you, but I would paint him.
Oh man.
I'm almost thinking if you don't take him, I will.
Oh. More now there's two of them.
Right. So I'm at number 3 Goodwill, and I have Megan Fox along as I've been showing you. We're thrifting a little bit, talking away, but I'm still looking for stuff. So I've gone to several Goodwills. I'm going into another one. This is several days worth of Goodwilling. Let me put it that way. But I'm hoping to find some things. The last couple I went to, I didn't find anything, so at least not for the Pinterest stuff. So I'm hoping I can find something today. I keep adding to my Pinterest board. So I've got Oakland with me and we're ready to get inside, see what we can find. I really like this desk, you guys, and I can't quite understand the price. It says filing cabinet and it's $20. I mean, granted, it's got a lot of wear to it, but it's like totally mid-century modern piece. Oh, I wish Nick would answer. Maybe it's too beat up, I don't know. We do need a desk, but okay, so I've got my mirror here and I'm gonna go ahead and paint the edges black, I think. I'm gonna make over this vase. I saw something from West Elm that I'm gonna try and dupe, and I'll let you see how it turns out. I have some gray spray paint. This is satin granite, it's called. So I'm gonna try it. Alright guys, don't mind the little sticky things on either side here, but I had a picture there, but I wanted to put it here just to show you guys what it looks like. It doesn't really go with my console table, but eventually I'll find the perfect place for it. But I love it. Look at it. Doesn't it look so much better? And I feel like it looks very much like some of the stuff I've pinned on Pinterest. I'm so excited with it. I wish it were a little taller to be like a full-length mirror, but for now I can still use it and I'll just save it for the perfect time. And the second one is this sort of West Elm dupe. I realize theirs is more tan, kind of like this color, but you could totally do, you know, whatever you want with it, and it worked out pretty well. There's a couple places that it sort of came off because the thing is kind of chipped, but it's not like you see it. And so yeah, I just thought that would give you guys an idea, because you can often find vases at Goodwill's, and this would be a very easy DIY for you. Really, everything just took some spray paint except for this other vase. I feel like this one is pretty similar to the other one that I had pinned. I realize the plant is different, but the vase is somewhat the same shape. I just had to clean it up a little bit and it was good to go. I'm really excited about that. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I should do more of these. And if you do this yourself, please show me what you find. That'd be awesome. Also, it'd be fun if you could find some clothes, like if you would pin clothes on Pinterest and then go looking for them. And in case you're wondering where this one comes from, this is from Target. So, and also dried eucalyptus leaves and some fake leaves in there. So I should have some fresh ones, but right now we're not doing a lot of shopping, as you all know. So anyway, I would love the thought of having a mirror in here, but with the type of console table I have and the scale of it, it doesn't quite go with this table. So yeah, but it would be a good look for an entry. Also, I don't know if I would keep this one with this one paired, but I just wanted to show you guys the setup, kind of give you some scale. I also thought I'd show you this other vase that I did end up getting then. I got this one and it was new from Target, but it was at Goodwill, so it was half price. So it was a little pricey, but it is something that is sort of a statement piece and I can use it for a long time. So I did get that one. Also, I'll show you a few other things that I found for Oakland mostly. Here's a little pajama set, 0 to 3 months. I should try and see if she can actually wear it right now. So cute. And one of these sleep sacks. This is called Touched by Nature, 0 to 6 months. I don't know what brand that is, but I think I'll probably be able to use it. It wasn't very expensive, and I decided to get it since it's just a nice neutral. And look at what I found. Isn't this like just darling? Little strawberry shortcake. It's actually her first little doll. And it looked brand new. I think it was, yeah, 99 cents. Trying to decide if it's an old one or if it's a new one. No, it's new, it's 2016. But it doesn't look like it was even touched. So I got it. And I just think it's the most adorable little thing. Next, I have this really cute little bib dress. It's like a stretchy jean fabric. It has a little pocket here, little ruffles up here. I think it's adorable. And it crosses in the back. I'm trying to see what brand. I'm thinking Carter's. Yeah, 6 months. So I was happy to find that. One more is this top. It's like a dress, tunic, whatever you want to call it, 9 months. And it's an olive color, Carter's again. And it has like these little copper gold buttons. I thought that was really cute. Then I got 2 books. Just some little, this one has like flaps. I always like those for babies. And then this one is baby animals. So that is the rest of what I found while I was out thrifting. I was pretty like nitpicky as far as what I was buying, so I didn't find a whole lot of other things, but I thought I would share those with you too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you want to see more of these, let me know. Maybe I can do some later on this summer. You know, once I get back into thrifting and stuff. If you guys want to do this yourself, tag me. If you have Instagram or whatever, let me know. I'd love to see what you find. It's just kind of fun to go out and see, you know, what you can find that you have pinned. It's sort of a challenge, I guess. So stay tuned for more. If you want to see more thrifting videos, I have a whole playlist that will be linked and also at the end of the video here. So make sure you go watch those if you haven't. But in the meantime, be on the lookout for a pantry organization video that will be coming next, I believe. I'm excited to share it with you, and I will hopefully be doing some more of those, and hopefully eventually we can all kind of resume normal life. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy, and yeah, just take care and be blessed. Bye guys.